space, earth, nature. Join us today as we take a look inside Isaac's Nature's Reserve and look at all the different habitats and animals that this place offers and the beauty of what we call planet Earth.
Welcome back to Isaac's Nature Reserve. Today we will be following the world's greatest animals at the world's greatest exhibits. Welcome back. Today we have stumbled upon the Isaac bird.
I'm a bird, bitch.
Welcome back to Isaac's Nature Reserve. Today I'm trying to stay a little bit quiet. I think we have stumbled upon an Isaac bear and his cubs.
I'm a bear, bitch.
Welcome back to Isaac's Nature Reserve, and today we will be luring out the most dangerous, notorious, and oldest predator of all, the crocodile. We will be using these double cheeseburgers, unwrapped and all.
I'm a crocodile, bitch.
And welcome back to Isaac's Nature Reserve. Today we are hunting beavers.
I'm a beaver, bitch.
And welcome back to the last installment of Isaac's Nature Reserve. Today, the Isaac squirrel.
I'm a squirrel, bitch.